Hello and welcome back my YouTube channel. In another video I teaching how to solve first layer of this cube. If you don't watch my previous video, I so totally request to all you watch my previous video and start this video. So basically I start a new playlist of how to solve cube. Firstly, I teach what is cube, what about cube, that is corner piece, that is edge piece, that is center piece, how what is called this layer and what about it, all about it. And in second video I teach how to make plus like this plus, and basically in plus four edges of white or any other color which you like most, and every center and edges are same like this. Now we are start how to solve first layer of this cube. Basically that is corner piece. Basically this is my broken cube. That is not a solve line. If you watch, you look at top, that you look that is solve, but basically that is not solve. Firstly, from you solve, this is a layer which corner piece adjust it. Basically my English is very weak, so adjust it. This is cube and this corner piece, which corner color white, orange, blue. Where is white, orange, blue? White, orange, blue. White, orange, blue. That is so. That's mean this corner piece adjust into like this. That is solve, or that is unsolved. How to make when like me solve like this. If you don't know, that is stop. You up this cube and rotate. Not like this. Move down layer. This is layer down and right layer down. This again. This again. This is cube. Up. Move down. Reverse. Reverse. Solve. And now turn white, green, red. Where is white? This is white, this is red, that is green. White, red, green. That means this corner piece adjust into this. How to? In this case, this is a left side, right side. Before we start, that is left side. This is a left side. If this is left, or that is right. That reason we are moving left, right, right. In this case, that is right side, right, right, left, left. That is side. D down, L, D, L dash. Again, this where adjusted white, orange, green. White, orange, green. Where? White, orange, green. Left, left scene. Again, and this is the hardest. Firstly, you across like this. How to make this? Firstly, down. Firstly, you any other corner piece you coming their right position. That is not right position. That is right position because it adjust same line. So first R dash D D R dash like this. Here you adjust it. This adjust D L like this, and you solve your first layer. If you don't know how to solve, I teach again. Basically, my English very weak, so anybody not comment about it. So, firstly, you solve plus teaching alone. That match color, that like this color wrong, edges match center. That's make L. That's automatic. If you thought that is solved, firstly you make plus. Then that is very interesting case. In this case, you firstly this that is left side. Then we are try D dash R dash D R. Solve it. That that puzzle, that this corner piece down here, because we solve white right white layer, but this corner piece color down here, that we are coming this case. Basically R dash D R dash, again this thing right side D. When you solve first time, then you don't know, you basically you slowly, then you after many time attempt, then you solve fastly. In this case R D out. When it come, then R D. So you know, when it come R D, that is, now that is solved. So basically you make first layer of your cube. I teach in this video how to make second layer, how to solve second layer of your cube. Firstly, you everybody know that is edges, middle are edges, that's middle of layer is center, that is corner, and that are edges of your cube. Firstly, we are solve this edge. This is everybody know that side solve, but that unsolved. How to check which edge fit in this? Firstly, look your first only your two centerpiece, orange green. That mean orange green edges, where this is orange and green edge. So firstly side like this, firstly back into the row correct side like this. That pair solve. Please follow my tip when I teach how to make solve cube. If you don't know, I teach again because my English is very weak, so I can't explain this. I many try, I explain this, but if you don't, so please, I'm sorry because my English is very weak. Firstly, match the color from edge and center. When you know that edge correct in your left side, then this layer move right side. You know, when this edge is, imagine this edge correct in right side, that is your right side. If this edge correct in your right side, then you move this layer left side. Which color you move? That edge behind this. So now your our current situation, that edge adjust in left side. That reason this layer move right side and left layer bottom this like this like this. Now we know we move right side because that edge adjust in left side. So now we are looking like a front. When we solve first layer of cube, like same thing, move move move. So you solve your first edge, that is solve. Now second term. Now which edge? Everybody know which color adjust? Looking your centers, that blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, yellow, green, no, no, right. Match the color, that is not match, that is not match, that not match, that is correct. So you know this color where side solve, that our right side, so we are try to left side like this and move right layer because which layer we are no, why not layer we moving because it not adjust in left side, that adjusts in right side, so we are move right side like this like this like this. So we solve edge and you know how to make your first layer, move move move. You solve second edge of your cube, then you know where color match, green and yellow, red, green and red. Look in behind, green, yellow, no, orange, no, yellow, no. That so means bottom side no any edge. So we saw look that is, but that not correct because our edge were flip, just because our edge looking like this. Mean, wait a minute, like this, but that's not correct, that is foul. So imagine this is your correct, imagine this is red, red and green. How to make solve? Line match the center, move right side, left side, move right, again left. How to make solve? Like this. So you look your edge behind this. So basically left side, sorry, I mean your edge, match the edge with center. We are adjust left side, so we are move in left. Because my English is very weak and I only know some words, so I can't explain with language. I explain in morally, or you can't understand. You understand because I teaching with hands, not if I don't any use any language. Then I think you should be able solve cube without any voice. Whatever. Centerpiece. Imagine that is yellow. That is blue. Blue match. We are adjusting left side, so we are right like this. So we saw our edge behind this. Match the color. Left side we move right like this and solve cube. Congratulations to everybody, we solve second layer of our cube. Solve two layer of your cube. Then third step is make plus on top, then make plus on top. Firstly you solve like this, then you flip like this, make plus two part, three step. Firstly you like I or one line, that is one line, not look t, that's one line. Second case, only one dot. Third is L like this, L like this. And in this video I introduce all three cases of jar cube. Firstly, easy, I mean so start with first case. In case you see only one dot on top of yellow. If you solve start from white, then you know what is opposite, yellow. Basically in this case you know only one algorithm or two algorithm. Understand? Basically it is this layer, right? Basically that is this is hand over right, this hand over left. So over right cube, right layer, over left hand, this is a left layer, that's right layer, down layer, upper layer, front layer, back layer, middle layer. So understand? And when you algorithm, in this case only two algorithm, Can you understand? You must understand. So this right layer called we are. When you move clockwise, our clock round like this. When you move right layer clockwise, then you call R. That's all part I already teach in my first video of how to solve beginner method. Then in case that is must, when you rotate right layer clockwise, then you call R. When you rotate anti-clockwise like this, you call R dash, means R dash. That left layer move clockwise L. When you move anti-clockwise this L dash. Front layer move clockwise F. Move anti-clockwise F dash. Back layer move clockwise call B. Anti-clock move B dash. F D move clockwise D. Anti-clockwise D dash. So start with algorithm. Firstly, you where that hold like this, anywhere hold like this. Firstly, R U R dash U dash R dash F R F dash. So basically we solve first case of your cube. When you solve dot, then you enter in second case L. L like this. And this algorithm repeat two times. When dot, firstly make L, then make I line, then make plus. Okay. So if you don't know, I repeat again, then in this case you must be hold like this, cube like this, not like this, not like this, not like this. First edge, yellow edge front of our, and second left side. No, sorry, I mean one right side and second is our front side. R U R dash U dash R dash F dash R F dash. So basically we solve line L, the entering line. In case we rotate this line like this, first left side, second right side. R U R dash U dash R dash F R dash F dash. Then you solve plus, you make plus and solve. First you have to stand up cube. First solve back side, second solve front side. L like this. Then you solve to combined as solve. So how to stand it? First back side, second left side. Then again this algorithm we are repeating. L dash U dash L U L dash U2 L dash U dash. Then you see solve the all corner piece. Sorry, I mean solve the all edges. If you don't know how to repeat this algorithm, so please repeat this algorithm in slow motion. Then you easy to understand because I unable to wait. Then it can be easy to understand. So we are solve edges. Then we enter in next step. We look corners because we solve edges, then we turn solve the corner. If you look all the corner, then you see can this corner piece exact place in which, then you see color is yellow on top, blue, okay, and orange. Then you see that corner piece adjust in this because like this corner piece we were exact adjust green, red, oh yellow, green, red, yellow, this corner piece adjust in this. But we look, if you votes all see, then you look that one piece exact value exact place in this, but that's flip like this. So that on any other with solve, then you stand right side, then repeat algorithm like this. If you don't any solve any right place of, imagine, just imagine every corner piece exact value is not exist, means that corner piece around this around this, then any other none of them solve it. Then you imagine this is a solve, looking right side like this, hold this, then you repeat algorithm. Then you see that is automatically solved, that is exact value, that is exact, that is real. And important thing, if you one time that not solve, then you repeat this algorithm, and main part is solve looking right side, then you apply this algorithm. Then in this case last algorithm, when you solve which corner piece you must be solved, want to solve, then you looking hold front side, then repeat algorithm like this. R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D. That is corner piece solve and rotate. This algorithm repeat R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D. Then flip, that is last piece, R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D. Then you see your cube will solve.